Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to connect Taobao to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can get started logging into your Shopify account in the upper right corner, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access for editing your store and managing it, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting Taobao. What we want to do guys is right here at the left side of the screen, open up the apps section. You want to open up apps and then the Shopify app store. That's going to open up this app store right here where you can take a look at all the apps you can use for your store, and we have a search option at the top of the screen. So you want to click the search bar. In the search bar you want to search for Taobao. This is what you want to search for. Here we have some dropshipping applications that you can go ahead and check out. This one is made specifically for Taobao and so on. So you can go ahead and check them all out, see how easy they're to use and which one works the best for you. So you can see this application is going to enable you to insert your products from Taobao easily. You have the pocket right here option. That's also going to enable you to go ahead and import your products for dropshipping and so on. So you can choose any of the options right here. Once you find the one you want to use, click the install button, and this is going to go ahead and open up the installation process where you just want to go ahead and confirm you want to install it. Click the install button, and now it's going to appear in your home page under your apps, and you can get started with opening up the application, using it, and so on. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.